Most Mercedes owners never discover the hidden features that separate casual drivers from true enthusiasts who unlock their car's full potential. In this video, we're diving into 10 genius hacks that only experienced Mercedes drivers know about. These aren't gimmicks or party tricks. These are legitimate engineering features that Mercedes built into their vehicles, but most people never learn how to use them properly. Make sure to stay till the end, because what I found will change how you think about your Mercedes. Number 1. The rest function for extended comfort. Here's something most Mercedes owners never discover. Your car can keep you warm or cool even after you turn off the engine. It's called the rest function, and it's pure German engineering brilliance. When you park your Mercedes, the engine coolant is still hot from driving. Instead of letting that heat go to waste, Mercedes designed a system that captures it. The rest function uses an auxiliary electric water pump to circulate that hot coolant through your heater core, even with the engine off. Here's how it works. After parking, you can activate rest either through the physical button on older models like the W203C class and W211E class, or through the climate menu on newer MBUX systems. The system will run for up to 30 minutes, keeping your cabin comfortable while you wait. The genius part is the safety logic. Your Mercedes monitors the battery voltage constantly. If the starter battery's charge status becomes too low, the system automatically shuts off to prioritize the next engine start. This isn't just about comfort. In winter, it prevents your interior from becoming an icebox during short stops. In summer, you can use it for ventilation to prevent heat buildup in your dashboard and seats. Number 2. Tunnel mode for instant atmospheric protection. This hack can literally protect your health, and most drivers have no idea it exists. It's called tunnel mode, and it seals your Mercedes from external contamination in seconds. When you're driving through tunnels, heavy traffic, or areas with poor air quality, you need to act fast. Press and hold the air recirculation button for several seconds. Your Mercedes will immediately close all windows and the sunroof while switching to recirculation mode. But here's the genius part that separates Mercedes from other brands. The system uses Hall effect sensors in each window motor to record the exact position of every piece of glass down to the millimeter. When you exit the contaminated area and long press the recirculation button again, every window returns to its precise previous position. If your driver window was cracked 2 inches and your sunroof was tilted, they'll return to those exact settings. No guessing, no manual adjustment needed. This feature works across virtually all Mercedes models with automatic windows, from the C-Class to the S-Class. The anti-pinch technology ensures safety, but you still need to supervise the process as Mercedes warns in their manuals. Number 3. Brake hold function for urban driving. Stop-and-go traffic becomes effortless once you master this feature. Unlike other brands that require you to activate auto hold every time you start the car, Mercedes makes it available instantly through a simple technique. The hold function uses your electronic stability program's hydraulic unit to maintain brake pressure without engaging the parking brake. Here's the technique. Come to a complete stop. Then, after a short time, quickly depress the brake pedal further until hold appears. You'll see hold appear in your instrument cluster. Now you can remove your foot from the brake pedal completely. The hydraulic system locks the brake fluid pressure at the calipers, holding your car in place. This reduces leg fatigue during long traffic lights and prevents the slight creeping that happens with automatic transmissions. The safety logic is impressive. If you try to exit the vehicle while hold is active, the system automatically shifts to park or engages the electric parking brake. The system requires your door to be closed and seatbelt fastened to remain active. To release, simply press the accelerator or tap the brake pedal again. Number 4. Summer opening with infrared precision. Your Mercedes can ventilate itself before you even get in. But there's a specific technique that most owners miss. It's called summer opening, and it requires understanding the difference between radio frequency and infrared signals. While you can lock and unlock your Mercedes from a distance using radio frequency, summer opening requires infrared line-of-sight communication. This isn't a limitation, it's a safety feature. Mercedes engineers wanted to ensure you're close enough to see your vehicle and any potential occupants before opening all the windows. Look for the small black infrared receiver on your driver's door handle. Point your smart key directly at it and press and hold the unlock button. Your Mercedes will execute a precise sequence. Unlock all doors, lower all windows simultaneously, open or tilt the sunroof, and on equipped models, activate the seat ventilation at high speed to cool the leather surfaces. This feature is standard on most Mercedes sedans and SUVs with the convenience package. The infrared requirement means you need to be within about 10 feet with a clear line of sight, but that's exactly what makes it safe and reliable. Number 5. Passenger mirror parking position. Protecting your expensive Mercedes wheels from curb damage becomes automatic once you program this feature correctly. Most drivers notice their passenger mirror tilting down in reverse, but few know how to customize it for their specific needs. The key is programming the reverse position independently from your normal driving position. First, select the right-hand mirror using the button on your driver's door panel. Put the car in reverse, then use the directional controls to adjust the mirror downward until you can see the rear wheel and curb clearly. Return to drive or park, and the system saves this position to your seat memory. Now, every time you reverse with the right mirror selected, it automatically tilts to your custom parking view. If you select the left mirror instead, the automatic tilt is suppressed, which is perfect for backing into garages where you don't need curb visibility. This feature requires the memory package and works on models from the GLA up through the S-Class. The precision is remarkable. The system remembers your exact adjustment down to the degree, making parallel parking in tight spaces much safer for your wheels. Number 6. Carwash Mode for complete protection. Modern Mercedes SUVs have a master setting that prepares your vehicle for automated car washes. It's called Carwash Mode, and it adjusts nearly a dozen systems simultaneously to prevent damage and false alarms. Available on vehicles like the GLE and GLS, Carwash Mode raises your air suspension to maximum height for proper clearance. It deactivates the rain sensors to prevent your wipers from fighting the wash brushes. The system forces air recirculation to protect your cabin filter from detergent chemicals. Your side mirrors fold automatically to reduce vehicle width. All parking sensors shut down to prevent constant collision warnings as you pass through the brushes. On vehicles with 360-degree cameras, the front view displays to help you align with the wash track. The genius is in the exit logic. You can only activate Carwash Mode below 12 miles per hour, and it automatically deactivates when you exceed that speed after washing. This ensures you never forget to restore your vehicle to road-legal configuration. The system is foolproof and protects both your Mercedes and your peace of mind. Number 7. Energizing seat kinetics for health. This goes far beyond traditional massage seats. Mercedes developed Energizing seat kinetics based on orthopedic research about postural health during long drives. The system prevents what doctors call postural fixity through micro-movements. Instead of air bladders that inflate and deflate, Seat Kinetics uses your electric seat motors to make tiny adjustments to the seat cushion and backrest angles. These changes are often just millimeters or single degrees, but they force your body to subtly shift weight and position. The science is solid. When you remain static for hours, muscles tense and joints lose lubrication. These micro-movements repeatedly tension and relieve your muscles and joints, promoting circulation and reducing fatigue. It's like having a personal trainer making tiny corrections to your posture throughout your drive. You can activate seat kinetics through the MBUX comfort menu on vehicles with fully electric seats. Choose to apply kinetics to the backrest, seat surface, or both. On high-end models with multi-contour seats, the lumbar region integrates into the program. This is particularly valuable on road trips where traditional massage might become repetitive or annoying. Number 8. Adaptive Throttle Reset for performance. Your Mercedes learns your driving style and adapts accordingly, but sometimes that adaptation works against you. If you drive conservatively or spend time in heavy traffic, the engine control unit dampens throttle response to maximize fuel economy and smooth operation. Over time, this can make your Mercedes feel sluggish when you actually want quick acceleration. The solution is a manual throttle reset that restores factory default response. This procedure works on both older and newer Mercedes models. Turn your ignition to position 2 without starting the engine. Press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor, ensuring it clicks past the kick-down switch, and hold it for 10 to 60 seconds. While holding the pedal down, turn the key to the off position, but don't remove it. Release the pedal and wait at least 2 minutes. During this waiting period, the engine control unit remaps the throttle position sensor to baseline settings. This clears the conservative driving profile and forces the system to relearn from a more aggressive starting point. It's essentially a free performance tune that restores the sharp throttle response your Mercedes had when new. Number 9. Workshop menu for diagnostic access. This is the closest thing to having a star diagnosis scan tool without visiting the dealer. The workshop menu provides access to real-time data and service functions that are normally restricted to technicians. The access method varies by generation. On W205 and W213 models with touchpads, turn the ignition to position 1 with the odometer displayed. Hold the back button on the left steering wheel and the touchpad center simultaneously for 5 seconds. Press home and swipe left to find the workshop tab. On newer W206 and W223 models with the touch wheel, hold the home button for 5 seconds, then press OK. The menu reveals precise oil levels down to tenths of a quart, exact battery voltage and amperage draw, and brake pad replacement modes for electric parking brakes. You can manually reset service intervals after performing your own maintenance and access roller test mode for dyno testing. The data includes your VIN, engine codes, and ECU versions. This level of diagnostic access puts professional-grade information at your fingertips, helping you maintain your Mercedes more effectively and catch problems before they become expensive repairs. Number 10. Valet Service Mode for asset protection. The digital evolution of the traditional valet key, Valet Service Mode transforms your Mercedes into a restricted version of itself. Available on 2019 and newer models with MBUX, this feature protects both your vehicle and your privacy when others drive it. When activated through the MBUX screen or Mercedes Me app, the system imposes strict limitations. Top speed caps at 50 miles per hour with significantly reduced engine torque. All personal data disappears, including navigation history, recent calls, and driver profiles. The trunk and glove box lock electronically with keyless entry disabled for these compartments. Sport and Sport plus driving modes become unavailable, and ESP locks into its most intrusive setting to prevent aggressive driving. The system requires a user-defined PIN for deactivation, ensuring only you can restore full performance and access. This isn't just about preventing joyriding, it's comprehensive asset protection that maintains your vehicle's condition and your personal security. Whether you're using valet parking, lending your car, or having service work done, Valet Mode gives you complete control over how your Mercedes can be used. These 10 hacks represent the depth of engineering that makes Mercedes-Benz special. They're not hidden features. They're intentional design elements that reward owners who take time to understand their vehicles. Each one reflects the German philosophy of building cars that serve their owners better the more they're understood. From the thermodynamic efficiency of the rest function to the comprehensive protection of Valet mode, these features separate Mercedes from other luxury brands. They're proof that when you buy a Mercedes, you're not just getting transportation, you're getting a sophisticated machine designed to enhance every aspect of your driving experience. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.